Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm updating you on the long-awaited rolling Bath & Body Works Project Pan. I have some exciting news, maybe not some exciting progress. I guess it's all progress, not news. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the products I actually finished up. So if you saw my last video, which was my Bath & Body Works empties, there are spoilers. Ugh, that was like a weird gasping for air. So I'm just going to quickly show you what I used up and kind of talk about them because I didn't really talk about it in that video. So Country Apple body lotion. When I started the project it was up to here and then I just finished it up. I did finish this up right before I went to Europe. Country Apple smells really good. It's one of those fragrances that even when it starts to turn, the scent is so potent and fresh that you don't really get that old scent. I don't have any more Country Apple lotions, but I believe I still have a fine fragrance mist in my collection that I'll eventually get to once I'm done with more fine fragrance mist. I wouldn't be opposed to using Country Apple again. It's just not something specifically I would seek out unless it's say it's the end of the semi-annual sale and it's one of the only fragrances I like and everything else I don't, then I would get it again if I was in a need for lotion, but I'm not, so that is that story with that one. So glad to be done with that because it's one less lotion in my collection. The only other thing I finished was the Oahu Coconut Sunset EDP, and this was the fastest EDP that I've used up of the ones that I had. The first one that I put in this project was 1,000 Wishes. It's warm. Warm fragrances don't work with my body chemistry. It always ends up smelling like BO. At least to me it smells like that, not necessarily to other people. Then it was Hawaii Passion Fruit Kiss. That one went by faster, but Oahu Coconut Sunset went by the fastest just because it is such a lovely scent. It is definitely a scent I would consider repurchasing if I'm ever in the need for things. Well, I probably wouldn't buy it unless it was at the semi-annual sale. But if I was in a need and they have it every year, it's not like they're not gonna have it. It's the two things that Bath & Body Works always three things. But in the signature collection, which is body care, the two things they always have consistent are their holiday traditions, which consist of Vanilla Bean Noel, Winter Candy Apple, which is one of my all-time favorite scents from Bath & Body Works, and they always have Sugar Plum something, or they always change it up. And Twisted Peppermint is always the staple that they have. And then besides the holiday traditions, they always have their springtime traditions, which is Oahu Coconut Sunset, Waikiki Beach. They always have a pineapple, and they always have a fruity passion fruit one. So usually by the second or the summer semi-annual sale, they always have these left. So if I'm in 2 years time when I'm shopping again at a semi-annual sale, I may pick up Oahu Coconut Sunset. Okay, moving on to other things that I have not finished. We're going to talk about the Winter Candy Apple Creamy Body Scrub. It was about right here when I put it in my last, technically my last update. And right now it's currently down to here. I haven't been using it left because I did get a tan from Europe. So I don't want to scrub off my tan, even though I'm going to still be working on it. But don't worry, I put on a crap ton of SPF. So I haven't quite been reaching for this because I don't want to scrub off the tan, but hopefully by the next update this might be gone. My Agave Papaya Sunset is literally on its last leg. I do have it turned upside down just because it's easier to get all the product out. So I'm going to show it this side first. As you can see, it is down to here. This is here and down. This is only going to be 5 days, 4 days even, because I've been using it on both my arms and legs. I am going to flip it over for you real quick, so just remember there's only about that much left. And when I first started it was full, and then my last update it was up to here, and now I only have that little tiny bit left. So this is going to be done in about 5 days because it's the one I've been using. But just to let you know, there's still some life left in her. If you saw my empties video, then you know I didn't take any of these products except for one that I will talk about soon to my Europe trip. So I used a completely different body lotion just because I knew I could leave that one there and not not bring this back, just because my suitcase was on the verge of being overweight, so I'm not going to bring back trash. So that's why I didn't bring this or any of the products specifically that were going to be used up, just because I needed them for my updates. You're welcome. Okie dokie. And then you guys know the deal with this. I didn't actually end up bringing this to Europe just because, again, I was gonna finish it and it's a little messy and sometimes I just needed to like get ready really fast. So this wouldn't be the most convenient thing, but I'm definitely gonna work on this and I'm definitely gonna make sure this is gone by the next time because, again, I'm tan. You can't really tell that much on camera, but I am. So I want to show off my tan, and why not, a little glimmer to my legs will help. So goal is to have this used up, and this is the Wild Honeysuckle body lotion with crushed up highlighter. That's supposed to be my Boom Boom Cream dupe. But yeah, my goal is to have this finished up by next time. And there's not that much in there because I did use it a couple of times, but it's kind of hard to keep track in that type of packaging. Okay, and the last thing that I have here that you will recognize is my Sunshine Days Fine Fragrance Mist. Sunshine Days is my favorite discontinued scent. So when I put this in the project, let's get this to focus. It was up here. My last update, it was right there, and now I am down to here. I did use this quite a bit since my last update. I did take it on my trip, and I'm happily using this. Like, there's no way I'll ever get tired of it. I'm like heavily considered purchasing a backup, but I just have so many fine fragrance mists, like there's no point of buying it, and then by the time I'm done with those fine fragrance mists, like the one that I do have, or this, like, because they haven't like re-brought it back, so it would just end up going bad, and I don't want that to happen. So I don't know if I should. I want to, because I'm like, I'm gonna be so sad when I use this up, but I'm also enjoying it, and yeah, I don't know what to do. What do you guys think I should do? Should I buy a backup? Because they have a couple like on Poshmark, and like I don't know. I shouldn't buy a backup, but I just love it so much. I have the like 3 body lotions left because I like had a moment of weakness and I was like, I have to get it. So I have 3 of the body lotions, but that's basically the last thing besides this that I have of Sunshine Days. So I think with the body lotions it should suffice, but you know, the spray is different. The sprays take so long to use up that it's like, and I have so many other ones that it's just probably not worth it. Realistically isn't worth like buying another one, but like I just want to because it smells so nice. Moving on from that little drama, let's get into the products that I'm adding this time around for this project pan. So I'm technically out of Bath & Body Works like perfumes, like EDTs. Like I only had 3 and I used them up, but we're just gonna do this one because they're sister companies. Okay, she's close. So this is the Victoria's Secret Bombshell EDP Eau de Parfum. The other ones were EDTs, Eau de Toilettes. This is practically stinking new. I don't know if it's gonna focus. Please focus. Well, it doesn't matter because it's brand new anyways. My friend gave this to me like 2 birthdays ago. So it's time for me to use it up. I did put it on yesterday and it just like, I don't know. There's nothing special about her. Like right now it smells heavily of alcohol, but not like the gone bad alcohol. So we're gonna wait. So I just want to use it up. I'll probably end up mixing it with the other perfume that I have in my Finish 18 in 2018, which is back there, which is the Miss Dior. I'll probably just mix those 2 because I feel like there's nothing special about this, like at all. Like, it's nothing special, honestly, and that's why I want to use it up. So that's why she's in here. And that's all I'm gonna say about that. Let's hope, Jesus, please help us. Please help us finish her. There's just, I don't know. Like what I do smell, it smells like a body splash. Maybe it's supposed to be light. I don't know. If you have Bombshell, does it smell like anything to you? Because to me, it's like super light, like a light fragrance where it's like, what's the point? If I put on perfume, I want to smell nice. And this is like barely there. Is it bad? Like, I don't know. Let me know, because I really don't know. Okay, but moving on, other products that I'm putting in, because I used up Sunshine Days a whole body cream and it had gone bad. I looked at my collection and like looked for what were the oldest lotions that I had, and this is like completely out of season, but it's gonna keep my tan looking nice. This is the Frosted Snow Blossom body cream. I can smell she's starting to go bad. I can smell it. She's yellow. I don't know if you can see that, but she's yellow. I did put a little on the back of my hand, and she does smell like she's going bad. It kind of smelled like my Sunshine Days one, which is why I was like, let's put her in here. She still kind of smells like a little bit like Frosted Blossom, but she has that scent that she's turning. So I was like, might as well use her up before she goes completely bad and the consistency changes. So it's brand new, it's full. We need to get her used up ASAP. And I got Live Fresh at the same time I bought my Sunshine Days. So I was like, oh, she gonna go bad too. She's probably bad. And she's still white. She's not yellow, but actually I didn't really smell. Oh, but she's chunky. I don't know. I don't remember what Seaside Breeze smelled like, but she still smells good. I actually don't detect the going bad scent, which is good. But I was just like, oh, she needs to be used up because she was in the same family as the other one, as Sunshine Days, which went bad. So I was like, let's put her in here. So she's full too. So we have 2 new full body lotions to put in this time. And last but not least, we needed a regular body lotion because the other one's gonna be out soon. This is Endless Weekend, and she's a little on the older side. She's still settling because I moved her around, but she's about to like right here. So right where the beach bag turns like red. So I will mark her when she's settled. They shouldn't take very long. I am gonna focus on the body creams, but you know, some days I'm just gonna be in a rush where I don't have time to like rub in body cream, so body lotion's easier to do. So that's why I'm putting it in here. And she's one of the older ones too, but she smells completely fine. I mean, the body lotions last longer than the body creams, which it's just something to, I totally just shook like this thing, I'm so sorry, I'm very sorry. Which is something to keep in mind, because if you're gonna hoard stuff, don't hoard stuff that goes bad. So yeah, body lotions are the way to go. Unless if you buy body cream, you better make sure you use it up within the next 6 months, because in a year it'll be bad, or in a year and a half. I think actually the Live Fresh and the Sunshine Days one are 2 years old, so I'm just very sad that Sunshine Days went bad. I mean, I still used her, and I still have body lotions that are perfectly okay, but you know, it's sad when your favorite scent was not at its 100%. So yeah, this is everything for this update of my rolling Bath & Body Works Project Pan. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are doing a similar project, please let me know, because motivation helps everybody. And if you have a stockpile of lotions or anything, just remember, they go bad. So if you can use, like, if you have a stockpile of things that like is easy to use up, like lotions, stop buying extra lotions and use them up, or it's gonna go bad, and then it might be one of your favorite products and you're gonna be super sad. So anyways, I'm getting way too like emotional and hyperactive on this because I just had a soda. And I have been doing like clean eating for 30 days, so I guess not so clean if I had a soda, but it's hitting me hard, and caffeine I haven't had that much of. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!